Knowledge of inviting me on this. And I am with music for last more than 10 years and being very like I'm very much interested in having a conversation with you. My my question is like last time when we spoke of I had some reservations about the crypto ETF. Yes. This is a viable option in India because it is some reservation. Yep. So that is one worries in India because in US, HSC has already given the permission on the crypto based like Bitcoin based ETF and all this stuff. Yep. Before the I suppose it is that there is one access from underlying in the Bitcoin or the Ethereum whatever. Yeah. So do you think that? Thank you. Yes. So before you joined in, Amitji, we were talking about what is it that Ethereum offers? Why do people even believe in Ethereum and why is it seeing adoption? So going back to that entire conversation, what Ethereum wants to be is the platform for the internet. And they want to enable anything that you do on the internet over there. So when you are being a platform for the internet, when they say that the platform, they're a global supercomputer. They are, what is the third thing? They are the future for, or they're the rails for a decentralized internet where the power of data and the power of control is back to the users as well. So when you're offering that, your underlying technology is something that is the asset that's backing it. Now, it's not a very tangible asset, which is why I think for something like Ethereum, it becomes very hard to, which is where the entire conversation about how these fund houses are planning to market it comes into question. But coming to specifically the question that you raised, which is a very interesting question and close to my heart, which is on the tangible benefits of having such a product in India. Do we have a market for it? Yes or no? Keeping the regulator and our finance ministry's thoughts on cryptocurrency aside, I honestly feel just given the per capita income in India versus that of the Western world, I don't think we have a market for something that's this volatile. Any cryptocurrency for that matter. I believe in that underlying technology. I honestly think that down the line, we will see a lot of these use cases pick up scale. But for an Indian consumer to take part in that and actually buy into the risk, do we have that appetite? Not really. If you see our the expendable income that we have in India is very, very small. So given that, and given the fact that, we are seeing very high unemployment in the country, we are at a stage where a lot of people want to earn but don't really have the avenues. I think that's why the finance minister has been so vocal about banning cryptocurrency. The RBI too is kind of against cryptocurrency, and this is just random conspiracy theory buff that's talking about this, but I feel it's also because they are experimenting with blockchain for CBDC, whereas SEBI, if you see, is for building a structure to regulate any digital asset, and by default that also includes cryptocurrency. But if SEBI is regulating it, which means it will come under the money markets, and if it comes under that, very small percentage of India anyways invests over there, which means these people have a high disposable income to start with. So yes, why not let them partake in that risk?